Run.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? Just got home and I can't stand the look of that bike, man. Look how fucking dirty it is. I mean, it's unbelievable. Look how neglected this bike was, man. It's unreal. Why the hell would you do something like this to your Warrior, man? God, hurts. Right? I mean, look at this, bro. Everywhere. It's like oil and shit, dude. So, I would say, oh crap, look at this. That's a Metzler tire. I'm getting a fucking Metzler ME 880. Ha! That's my, I mean, my tire is bought, but my buddy is giving me the tire. It goes on mine. Look at this, man. I mean, this hurts. It hurts so much. So let's get this baby washed, and let's make it at least a little cleaner. All right, and then we'll see what we're gonna do with this. I don't know, man. Like, I don't even know what I'm gonna call this video. If it's gonna be a bike rebuild video. I mean, is it a rebuild video? I don't even know if it could be a rebuild video. What is considered a rebuild video? You know, like, I mean, all it needs is spark plugs, a new battery, a gas tank. You know, maybe something with the freaking airbox and shit. But what is considered a rebuild? You know, maybe it's just a fixing up video, I guess. Because to me, rebuild is like rebuilding a bike completely, you know, like freaking cylinders and heads, fucking like from ground up, you know. But maybe it's a mini rebuild. There we go, a mini rebuild. So it just needs a few things. Oh, look at that. There is one missing, huh? Look what I found. Okay, that's not a problem. Maybe that's why it was sputtering a little bit. That's not a problem. Alright, there is everything is fine. The stator is there. Looks like he has a brand new. This was replaced. This looks to me brand new. You just put it in. Okay, right here. Oh, and then so I put the bike in gear. Yesterday I started up, I put it in gear. The moment you put it in gear and you let go of the clutch, I mean it's engaging the clutch, it moves forward, so the clutch keeps engaging. You know, so I gotta fix that too. And it's a lot of work. So I don't know. Let's get this thing washed and I get back to you guys. It's your boy GD. Alright, so I was just about to put one in. A torque wrench. And then it doesn't want to go in, so I check. Do you see that? There is a fucking bolt stripped in that thingy right there. God. Man, this fucking bike that bike is a lot of work, man. Oh my god. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, man, so I guess this can be considered a whole rebuild almost, because fork oil on both sides is leaking. The airbox was completely detached from the throttle bodies itself, so I attached that back, put that back together. I took the Hidges fucking right side cover off. Look how neglected this bike is, man. I mean, it's crazy, dude. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the exhaust, man. I think I'm gonna play around with it. Maybe remove the baffle from in there or so. I don't know. We'll see. Some aftermarket lights. See, this whole thing is fucking fucked. Completely. I mean, I washed it twice now, and look at that. Look at all that crap. Ugh, my heart hurts. Anyways, I attached that fucking air box back in. So let's see how it starts now. Maybe it's smoother. Yep. So I took it out for the test ride, and the engine is completely smooth, man. So the engine is good to go, and yeah, bro, that's it. Oh yeah, the clutch, like the clutch was so fucked that when you put it in gear, you didn't even have to do anything. But when the clutch was engaged, the bike would just roll forward without touching the clutch lever. So that's fixed too. I already took it for a ride. It's very smooth. The engine itself is smooth, so the engine itself is fine. But the rest, you know. All right, see you then.